Hello everybody, welcome to Car Act. Today I have brought you this body kit and this pair of triple beam LED headlights for Lexus RX from 2010 to 2015 series, which includes RX270, 300, 350, 450, etc. all Lexus RX series from 2010 to 2015 to convert as 2020 Lexus RX Sport performance version. 2013 to 2015, you can only change this front bumper and rear bumper, keeping your original factory headlights to look like 2020 Lexus RX F Sport performance version. This body kit material is exactly the same as the OEM factory material you can install on your car without needing any modification, just plug and play. And this body kit material color is only like this, black, but you need to paint even black when you're installing. This body kit includes all these parts you are seeing here: front bumper, grille with chrome, and also fog lights. So with these fog lights, you are replacing your original fog lights with this rear bumper, and this is a fake exhaust mouth, so I will show you later. And the number plate and this diffuser, and these parts are for the bumper reinforcement or bumper support, and that one is the undershield protector. And here's a pair of LED headlights, triple beam, with all these plug and play adapters, so you're not going to change anything, just plug and play. Now please have a look at the details with me.
This set would make a stunning upgrade on your vehicle. No matter the quality or the fitment, we will guarantee can make you a happy customer and an owner. This is a dummy exhaust mount. Included all the necessary accessories like screws, plugs, and reinforcements to install. All the attaching holes are at the right place where they should be. Makes the installation plug and play, no need modification. The hole drilling marks for the parking sensors and headlights washing are left to be drilled according to your need. We can drill and ship if you prefer. Look at this premium quality and finish. Parking sensors for the rear bumper also left with drilling mark. We can drill and ship if needed. Triple beam headlights are plug and play with these adapters. No need any extra work. This headlight has a blue sapphire light when the vehicle ignited. This blue wire is to disable the function if you dislike it in the future. Welcome to contact us for any assistance or wholesale price. We'll provide discount accordingly. Thank you.